Hello everyone, welcome to BP Technique classes, and today's video is all about kitchen vocabulary. Obviously you can see all the equipment which we use in our kitchen. So today we will talk about kitchen vocabulary, and if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. So now let's start the video of kitchen vocabulary. Glass, 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 glass. Plate, plate. Spoon, spoon. Jug, jug. Freezer, freezer. Cylinder, cylinder. Knife, knife. Tray, tray. Ice cream scoop, ice cream scoop. Sweeping, sweeping. Cooking, cooking. Broom, broom. Sponge, sponge. Rolling pin, rolling pin. Rolling board, rolling board. Ladle, ladle. Matchbox, matchbox. Lemon squeezer, lemon squeezer. Sliver, sliver. Gas stove, gas stove. Funnel, funnel. Bowl, bowl. Bottle, bottle. Bottle opener, bottle opener. Blender, blender. Apron, apron. Chopsticks, chopsticks. Microwave, microwave. Fork, fork. Baking sheet, baking sheet. Dish rack, dish rack. Frying pan, frying pan. Colander, colander. Measuring cup, measuring cup. Peeler, peeler. Grate, grate. Skewer, skewer. Thermos, thermos. Cup, cup. Butter knife, butter knife. Roast, roast. Saucepan, saucepan, saucepan. Wok, wok. Pressure cooker, pressure cooker. Rice cooker, rice cooker. Cutting board, cutting board. Dishwashing liquid, dishwashing liquid. Dish towel, dish towel. Garlic press, garlic press. Grill, grill. Kettle, kettle. Napkins, napkins. Grater, grater. Deep bowl, deep bowl. Coaster, coaster. Shearing, shearing. Tumbler, tumbler. Knead, knead. Strainer, strainer, whisk, whisk, meat fork, meat fork, deglaze, deglaze, scraper, scraper, juicer, juicer, muffin tin, muffin tin, pastry brush, pastry brush, mince, mince, meat grinder, meat grinder, potato masher, potato masher, crimp, crimp, blanch, blanch, pizza cutter, pizza cutter, fillet, fillet, measuring spoon, measuring spoon, lettuce, lettuce, bucket, bucket, toaster, toaster, mug, mug, lighter, lighter, filter, filter, recipe, recipe, salt, salt, jester, jester, simmer, simmer, tongs, tongs, teapot, teapot. So this is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. Thank you very much.